So guys, today we came another informative video also. So today we will make tamarind juice at your home. So for this we already took all this ingredient. How you will make, please see this video till last, you will find how you will make. So for this we already took this tamarind. This already you take fresh, also in market available this tamarind. So I already soak in water maybe 2 hours or 3 hours, and like this should be clean, and you have to soak in water, okay. And we need like normally ice cubes, water, this mixer, because we have to grind our tamarind here, little salt, this our sugar and lemon, okay. So first what we'll do, first we have to clean our this tamarind, and I already soaked and already cleaned and put here, and we will grind here. Then we will put water with water, and then sugar, and then we add our ice cubes, and we'll serve. So this is very easy, you can make your home. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe, because in this channel you found all informative videos which we upload daily. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and this is very easy and delicious recipe, so you should try at your home, because this is good for your health. And also you can drink this in summer and also anytime, okay. So now let's start. I will first we have to grind our this tamarind with water and lemon juice. So I already put here our tamarind, water little, and this sugar and lemon juice, and little water also you have to add, okay. And we have to grind, because you just see the texture, okay. We have to grind in grinder, okay. So we already grinded it, this is ready. So now we have to strain this, because this have inside this little tamarind, so we have to grind it, strain it, okay. So like this you can strain, because this have tamarind also, so you just strain, okay. And this is now ready. So now this is ready to serve. So we have to put some this first we have to put in glass, and we will put this our ice cubes also. So now this is ready to serve, so I put in glass, okay, like this, okay. And then you put your this ice cubes here, okay, ice cubes, and in lemon wedges for garnish, okay, like this you can put, okay. So now this is ready to serve. So this is very good for your health, so now you can drink this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. So if you have any another query, so please comment in comment box, and if you like want another informative video, please tell us, because we upload daily informative videos. So if you still not subscribe our channel still now, so please subscribe and tell to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative videos which we upload daily. So I hope you will enjoy this, and please drink and tell me how you feel after drinking this tamarind juice. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day, take care, Allah Hafiz.